How to schedule emails in Gmail. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can schedule emails. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to mail.google.com. Once you get here, make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to click on the compose option in order to compose a new email. Now you want to enter the recipient, then enter your subject. After that, you want to type in your body of the message. After all of this is completed, below you will have the send option. Instead of clicking on the send option, you want to click on this drop down. From there, you want to click on the schedule send option. Now, a pop-up will appear with suggested times or an option to select your own date and time. Now, you can simply select whichever date you want, or you can also click on pick date and time option. Then you want to pick your date and time from here. Once that is done, you want to click on the schedule send option to confirm. One thing you have to be aware of is the time zone setting, especially if you are scheduling emails for recipient in different locations. After you have scheduled your email, you want to navigate to the scheduled folder on the left hand side. Then click on that and you will find all of your scheduled emails. You can edit or cancel emails from there as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.